Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut can't render or export your videos error. And this will work if you're currently using a Windows or a Mac PC. It doesn't matter. So once you're inside CapCut, guys, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on the menu option on the uppermost left hand side, and from here you want to go down to settings. Now from here, click on performance, and you want to ensure that speed up hardware encoding is unchecked. So once you go ahead and uncheck this, all you have to do is go ahead and click on save. And this will help you to fix any render or exporting issues that may be caused by incompatible drivers. And all you have to do now is just go ahead and start editing your videos again. So if you have any kind of videos or files that you want to go ahead and add into CapCut, you can go ahead and you can add those video files there. You can start by you can go ahead and you can export them, so you can go ahead and start exporting your videos again. So all you have to do afterwards, just simply go ahead and click on export at the uppermost right hand side, choose your settings, go ahead and choose whatever you want, and you'll be able to export without any issues. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.